Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So let's get right into this video. These are the dip powders I'll be using today. All of them are from Totally Dipp'd except the clear dip powder, which is from Pro Dip. And these are the liquids I'm using. I will be using Finish Gel, which is a dip powder top coat. I'll be using that as base glue. I start by applying my Pro Dip prep to dehydrate my nail. Now I apply 3 layers of clear dip powder to my nail to build the nail. I applied base to 3/4 of the nail and then dipped into the clear dip powder. Then I applied base to the whole nail and dipped into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nail and also to protect my natural nail from the color. This is also an optional step. I'll be using my French nail cutters for this design. I already applied tape off camera. Now I'm just figuring out which size I should use on the French nail cutter. Next, I placed base on the nail and then I poured my Totally Dipp'd Bossy, which is this light pink dip powder. Next, I take the nail cutter to shape the nail bed and to achieve the smile line, well, half a smile line I should say. I did 3 layers of that and then removed the tape. Then I did 4 more layers. Next, I applied activator and waited for the nail to harden so that I can file the area. This design was inspired by a picture I saw on Instagram. I wanted to recreate the Ombre Colorblock French nail because it looked challenging. I didn't too care to recreate the whole design though. Next, I'm using Totally Dipp'd GJWHF, Call Me Sweetie, and Jalise on the left side. So I applied tape to protect the light pink color. For most of this ombre, I applied the purple last because the purple was too opaque. It overpowered the other colors, so I did it last when doing most of my layers. I did a few layers of this, but I cannot remember how many. Some of the purple color got on the light pink area, so I'm just filing that off. So when I placed the smile line cutter on the nail, the two sides were uneven. The ombre area was a bit shorter than the light pink side. So I applied some base and then poured the GJWHF, the powder, to fill in the space and use the smile line cutter to form it a little bit. I did 2 layers of that. Next, I applied 2 layers of clear powder to encapsulate the ombre. Then I applied activator and waited for the nail to harden so that I can shape the nail. So I know y'all are seeing on the purple area there's this pink powder. I don't know where that came from. So before the nail hardened, I dug that pink color out and then applied base and poured some purple dip powder in that area. Then I filed the nail. Next, I applied tape again and did another ombre. So this time I'm using Peep Peep, Mint Julep, and Serenity. After 3 layers, I removed the tape. I did more layers of the ombre off camera. Next, I encapsulated the nail with 2 layers of clear dip powder and then activated the nail. So this was hard to file to get a straight line. The nail file couldn't do it, so I tried my cuticle bit, and surprisingly it worked. You just cannot apply too much pressure to the area, but it worked. Then I applied my milky white dip powder. I did a few layers, but I only showed 2 layers. Then I encapsulated the whole nail with a few layers of clear dip powder. Then I applied activator and waited for the nail to harden so that I can file the nail. Now this is after filing. And now I'm using my Madame Glam top coat, and then I cured for 30 seconds. Then I apply cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nail, and this is the finished look. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!